Oh shit, man.
This church. Run away! Run away! Run away, K1. K2. I might cut this into smaller bits. I might cut this instead. I might cut it. And here we are at the smelter. I'm getting chased and haunted by Alex. Hiya! Well, run away! Come on, Kay, to make it. Run away from Alex. Oh no, you're gonna switch onto my track. Oh no! Oh no! I should make for Steve and Kesseldruk to make Steve Kesseldruk. I just said 2 million words in one. This is not what chase. This is not what chase. Why did I change track? I changed track 2 times, man. Alex, are you there? Don't you think? Don't you think? Oh my god, you kicked me! Alex! Help me! I kicked him! And you drive into pop a mill. Pop, pop, poop, poop, poop. Follow me, Alex. You shall follow me. I shall take. You shall follow me into the yard. That's what I'm doing next, man. You stupid. Oh, nah, that's your problem. You crashed into us. Wait. Did we die or did he die? The K2 is indestructible. I'm Alex. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Yes. Quite yes. Yeah, we are giving a tour, so I can make your railway popular. I'm already there, Alex. I beat you. I'm not going to. What? Fine, I do this then. What shed is your engine, Pumpkin? I shall go in this one. Hi. Yeah. Oh, this is the poopy one. Okay. this is the poopy one. I should go into the other one. Ale, what happened to your Tinder? Let's see who's indestructible now. Yeah. Exactly. I told you. I told you. I told you. The K2 is indestructible. Now I should review the other ship. I hear some funny sounds.